If you're trying to trailblaze your way into making some serious money in 2024, I think I have a great business for you in the e-commerce space, and that's by creating a TikTok shop. Now, it's only been around for about 4 months and it's gaining massive popularity. TikTok is also pushing the videos and ads that you make for your products out more than ever before. We all remember TikTok as being the platform where any creator could go on, upload a couple of videos, and basically go viral with even low quality content. And now that's kind of the same opportunity that they're providing for creators when they're actually pushing products, because TikTok's really trying to be the next Amazon in a way, where I've been selling on Amazon for 6, almost 7 years. It's been an amazing opportunity for me, allowed me to be totally financially and location free. Right now I'm out in Colombia, South America. Beautiful weather, women, and food. Cannot get enough of this place. What I actually did yesterday was set up my TikTok shop. It's extremely easy to do. It's actually only available in the US marketplace right now. So just know by watching this video, you are so new to this opportunity and we are legit pioneers. You don't need any business license, LLC, or anything. You can set it up as an individual with your social security number. I set mine up with an LLC, taxed as an S Corp with my EIN, employee identification number. All that's good. If you want me to make a full video on step-by-step how to set up your TikTok shop account in the first place, your Seller Central account, let me know in the comments. I'll do that for you guys. And after that, I even uploaded a couple of my products that I'm currently selling on Amazon. Setting up the product listings was extremely easy. A lot easier even than Amazon. So the platform, the user interface is very user friendly, and they're making it in your best interest to get your products as sellable as possible. So one of my favorite things about TikTok Shop is you don't really have to advertise and actually spend a bunch of money on ads. You can do TikTok video ads for your products, but what's amazing is they have a great affiliate network and it's integrated right into your account. So once you're in your TikTok shop, you can see over on the dashboard over here, you have your product tab, where I'm not going to reveal what products I'm selling currently right now, but this is all the steps that you need to get your business up and running. Register your business, setting up your account, the tax information, very easy to do. Set up shipping. Where are you going to be fulfilling this from? If it's from your house, you put your home address there. Adding your first products. Now, I didn't connect my actual TikTok account right now. I'm running in a little bit of a problem because I'm based in Colombia, and I think when I set this up, it tracked my IP address, and it's saying that the country my shop is in is not the same country that my TikTok account is in. So I'm dealing with their help team right over here, and I'm going to get that figured out sooner than later. But my products are in here. The cool thing is you can come over, press on this affiliate button, and then it takes you to this page where you can actually find creators that are already making videos similar to the same product that you're going to be selling. So for instance, my product is kind of in a video game niche. So I can just type in video game, and then I'm going to find all these relevant creators that are already making a bunch of sales with TikTok Shop, being affiliates for other people's products. Maybe they have their own products, but it shows you how much money they're making, how many units they've sold, and more analytics about their storefront. But what I like to do is actually, instead of just relevancy, I was coming in and pressing on sort by average video views. So it's giving me the average views on each creator's account, and I can choose the ones that are getting an average of higher video views for their shoppable content. And then I can simply press invite, send them a message, show them the products that I have, and tell them, hey, I can give you 10 or 20% commission. I can even set up a chat window, which I've already done. And I've literally copied and pasted the same message to about 20 creators, just saying, hey, I'm digging your page. I have some popular plush toys I just launched here on TikTok. Been doing very well with these on Amazon. I'm looking to expand here. I can offer you a 10 to 20% commission if you're willing to collab. So this person can get back to me, say, yeah, let's collab. And then we will put my product on their account. So when they make videos, my product will show up in a shop button or some tab on their video. So any random TikToker that's interested in their videos may see my product and they can purchase it, giving this person a commission and giving me the bulk of the revenue made in that transaction. I mentioned I'm already selling these on Amazon, so you have to have a product and a fulfillment mechanism already established. TikTok Shop is still working on having warehouses. They're trying to compete with Amazon. They're going to have warehouses where you can basically do fulfillment by TikTok, where you ship your product into the TikTok warehouses, and then TikTok warehouse will ship it to the customer when they buy it, exactly like Amazon FBA. So currently my products are stored in Amazon warehouses. That's what's allowing me to travel around the world. I don't have to go ship products from my house to customers through the US mail system every day. Amazon handles all that. They store the inventory. And what I can do in Amazon is create a fulfillment order. And once I make a sale from a customer on my TikTok shop, I get their address, name, phone number, all that info. And then I plug that into my fulfillment order in Amazon. And then I can ship each unit to the customer right from my own Amazon account. So I'm doubling down on the sales. If you want to build an established business and get a great springboard and have a warehouse already established, I would recommend for you as a first step to start selling on Amazon, get some products in there, and then you can use Amazon's fulfillment network to ship your products out to these TikTok customers when they buy your product. I do have a full Amazon course that comes with my one-on-one help where I can plug you with amazing product ideas that would also do extremely well on TikTok Shop, but we'll get them selling on Amazon. Your business will be up and running there. Amazon will store all your inventory for you, and I will help you set up your TikTok shop. I think it's a great synergistic type of business that you can build right alongside Amazon. But at the end of the day, Amazon is still the biggest springboard for launching products. There's so much integration, software tools that let you know exactly how much money you're going to be making before you even invest in products. With TikTok Shop, it's still the wild, wild west. There's still a lot of trailblazing and pioneering to do. So get started on Amazon. We can integrate you with a TikTok shop afterwards. And I think that's the best business plan to start in 2024. If you want to keep gambling in the stock market or crypto and not have any control over your life, you can stick with that and deal with the insane amounts of stress it causes you. But with e-commerce, you have a physical product. Worst case scenario, you can always cut your price in half and still sell out because you're getting the thing from Alibaba.com for 5 times, 6, 7, 8 times less than what it's even selling for on the US marketplaces. And even though I'm feeling a little under the weather right now, I'm literally freaking excited about this myself, and I cannot wait to get my first few sales. I'll be making more videos, so don't forget to subscribe and smash the thumbs up for this video. Until next time, we'll see you later. God bless.